Day 3, it's breakfast. It's from Kavanagh's Kitchen at Super Value. This is so tasty. So nice. It's like a yogurt bowl and a cup of lemon and ginger tea to start. Currently sitting in a nice little coffee shop at the side of town. I came into my period this morning, so I'm not very well. But I also got a bag of sweeties, which I'll show you as well. So we're back by the beach and we're going to go on the coastal walk, which is basically you're going to be standing on both sides of the Atlantic. Well, not sides of the Atlantic, what am I saying? Both. It basically goes into the Atlantic. And it's going to take us about an hour and a half, it said. Probably an hour. And yeah, there's Croagh Patrick behind us, covered in cloud. We're very glad we didn't go today. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, we did Croagh Patrick in 3 hours, 20 minutes up and down. It usually takes 3.5 to 4 hours, so we were well chuffed with our speed, and we were stopping because taking photos and stuff, so pretty good. But yeah, take you on the walk. Look at the size of these. These are jellyfish. You can hear me, look how big that jellyfish is. Oh my gosh. Look how fast the water's going.
And Westport just couldn't accommodate. We can see how narrow this little channel is as we're going out. So it might look quite wide. Water. There's only 0.7 of the water underneath where we are. Lord Sligo in Westport House, he got fed up of all the locals on his front lawn. The hustle and bustle of Bissington Village.
Driving now to our next destination, which is in County Clare, called Doolin, and that's where we're staying for the remainder of our holiday. But the first place that we're stopping off is a little town called Tuam, which will be really, really nice. And we just had breakfast. I had a matcha with coconut milk, found randomly in Westport, and a really cool breakfast bagel, which actually I didn't video it, but I took a photo of it. And yeah, it was very tasty. And we've got an hour drive now, and we're going to, so basically the County Clare first count, so we're in Mayo, we're going to be crossing into Galway, and then we'll be crossing into Clare. And yeah, it should be nice, and it's sunny currently. The weather here is very intermittent, but we're used to that in Britain. But yeah, very excited. currently standing in the little town of Shrule, where part of my family are from. It's a very little town, like it's only one street, but it's really nice to see. And I'm standing in front of one of the castles, and I just spoke to my mum, who was giving me the guided tour. She's still at work, not at home. But yeah, it's been really nice. It's important. Oh, this is also one of the main reasons I came to Ireland, is to try and trace family, which is fun. But yeah, it's lovely. So we've stopped on the side of a road in a place called Kilmachdar, if I pronounce that correctly. And the coolest thing is it's basically like an 11th century church ruins, but look at this. Welcome to the vlog, everyone, again. So this is the second place that we're staying in a little village called Doolin. So this, excuse the mess, is the loft we've got in the place. We've got a fireplace, sofa. It is so nice in here. There's so much natural light. Coffee table, like dining room table. So over here, you can hear in the background, that's the washing machine. We have the kitchen area, which is got your fridge, oven, cooker, microwave, all the stuff that you need really. And then this way we've got a washing machine, which is currently on, and a dryer. Again, a really nice roof area. Then we've got the bathroom, really nice. And then we have the bedroom, which has got, this is such a nice, and there's me looking like a tramp, but still. And bed, and it's so nice in here. And then the views is something I was saying. So this is at the front of the house. See the Ireland flag going. And then if I go back, this is the outside. So we have got views basically of the Atlantic. So right in the distance is the Atlantic Ocean. And we're not too far from the Cliffs of Moher, which is a very famous set of cliffs in Ireland, and which we'll be exploring. And we're here till Sunday. So we arrived today, it's Wednesday, and here till Sunday.